Hello.
Hi.
Can I ask you a question?
Okay.
What do you love most about being the director of the Dallas Skin Institute?
Oh, wow. Wow. Okay, that's a great question. What I love most about being the director here is the community. I love the sisterhood, and I absolutely love the drive. I love meeting all of these beautiful women, including yourself, young girls, who want more and come here because they're hungry, and it gives me the opportunity to do what I love most, and that's this industry is cosmetology and estheology. And so being able to give and help my ladies get to that next destination in their career is what I would say I love most, is having the opportunity to help.
So as a current student, what is advice that you would give to upcoming students?
If my advice would be the students come in here with like an open mind and let your brain be a sponge and absorb all the things that we're taught here at the school.
Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
I see myself owning my own business in the next 5 years and also teaching other students later on in the future, and also teach them what I've learned at DSI.
What is something that you would tell your future and current students?
I would say be patient with yourself. Everybody's learning and you're gonna get it. Do not beat yourself up if you get something wrong. So all my perfectionists out there, it's okay. You're gonna get it.
What made you choose DSI?
I chose DSI because the instructors are all very nice and very helpful, and the environment is just amazing.
What service are you looking forward to most?
Hydrofacials.
What do you love the most about DSI?
So after graduating DSI, I really loved that the classes were intimate and one-on-one, and I also loved that we learned the business side of aesthetics, and we learned a lot more skills here than we would have at other schools. What is one product that you will never leave the house without?
One thing I won't leave the house without is rain or shine sunscreen.
What do you love about DSI?
I love DSI because my day goes by so fast, I don't even realize I'm in school.
What is something that you're good at that you didn't think you would be at first?
Honestly, I'm surprised that I was so good at facials. The massage techniques that I've just naturally know, and then everything everybody taught me, it just came naturally to me, so it's really comfortable for me to do one.
What do you love about being an intern for the Dallas Skin Institute?
As a recent graduate, I just love working with the students and being on this side, so to help kind of push them forward and being supportive of them along their way in their journey.
What is your go-to snack before coming to school?
Avocado toast.
As an instructor, what is your favorite service to teach?
I love doing sugaring. I love teaching the girls how to sugar. It's a natural way of removing the hair with my own sugar brand. And I love doing more of the holistic part of the facial, which is it's very luxurious line that I love to teach the massage part of it the most.
What is your favorite treatment that you've learned so far?
Definitely the enzyme mask or the enzyme facial, because my skin looked so glowy for like 3 to 4 days after. It was amazing.
What is something that you have learned in school that you didn't know before?
So I didn't know we were supposed to wear sunscreen. I didn't know it was like a big of a deal, but I don't want to age. So we're going to keep the collagen.
What is something you're looking forward to most at DSI?
There are a lot of things, but I think most I'm excited for right now is Client Day. I'm excited to get my friends and family in here and to show them what I've been learning and to just like treat them well and just get more experience, like hands-on experience.
After taking the course, what is something that you loved that surprised you?
So I didn't think that I was going to be very interested in brows, and I loved doing lamination and brow tint. In addition to lash lift and lash tint, that was really something that interested me, but now that's my favorite thing to do.
What is your favorite circadia mask to use?
I love using the pumpkin perfecting mask because I find it feels really good on my skin. I always feel super soft and smooth afterwards, and it smells delicious.
What do you love about being an instructor at DSI?
I love being an instructor because I get to be a part of all these women's journey. They all have a different story, and I just love meeting every soul and every personality that walks through the door.
They also inspire me, and I love to inspire them as well.
What is something that you would tell someone who's not sure about attending DSI?
Change is scary until it's familiar. So take the risk because you never know what opportunities will lie ahead.